Today is the uncut video of logo design. I searched the logo brief as you can see on the screen. After getting brief, every logo designer faces this problem that how to create logo. So let's see in how many attempts we can create a logo. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for such videos. Let's type the logo name, that is Lumina Essence. Now we will search the font for this logo in the Google. We show calm and pure. So according to AI mode, I got the Releve font and I have already downloaded this font, so we will be using the Releve font. Now in this logo, I know this much that we will be needing any geometric shape which represent radians with L. So let's search any geometric shape, which geometric shape we can use to represent radians. So according to AI mode, it says mandala or star polygon. So let's create a star with the help of star tool. You can increase or decrease the star shape as shown on the screen. So let's type the letter L, and we will be creating a monogram using type L and star. So I'll be using a negative space logo here as you can see on the screen. So this logo is created with some minimal changes, but let's see we can create another version of this logo. So let's decrease the size of the essence as shown on the screen. Then again we will create a monogram using the star shape with 9 strokes. So we will try to put that star on that L as to show the calmness or purity of the logo. So this shows that we can create as many as logo variations of one brand till we get the final picture. Comment me in the comment box that which logo you liked it, or do you have any more versions regarding this logo. If you are still new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for such videos. So hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.